Welcome to Visual Studio Code.
Visual Studio Code, often called VS Code, is a popular code editor used by developers worldwide. It's free, lightweight, and packed with features for beginners and experts alike. In this guide, you'll learn how to install, set up, and use Visual Studio Code for your very first coding project.
Downloading and installing VS Code.
Start by visiting the official Visual Studio Code website. Download the installer for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once finished, open Visual Studio Code from your Applications or Start menu.
Customizing your editor.
Personalize VS Code to fit your workflow. You can change the theme, font size, and layout in the Settings menu. Click the gear icon in the lower left corner and select Settings to explore your options. Try out different color themes to make your coding experience comfortable and efficient.
Installing extensions.
Enhance VS Code with extensions. Click on the extensions icon on the sidebar or press Ctrl-Shift-X. Search for popular extensions like Python, JavaScript, or Prettier and click Install. Extensions add language support, linters, and productivity tools to make coding easier.
Opening and creating a project.
To start coding, click File and choose Open Folder to make a workspace for your project files. You can also create new files using the New File icon. Save files with py.js or other relevant extensions and organize them in folders as your project grows.
Running your first code.
Write your code and save the file. To run simple scripts, use the integrated terminal by selecting Terminal, then New Terminal. For some languages, you may need to install additional extensions or compilers. VS Code guides you with suggestions, making it easy for beginners to run their first program.
Tips for learning more.
Explore the VS Code documentation and built-in tutorials for more in-depth guidance. You can access help from the Help menu, browse tips, or join the large community for support. The more you experiment, the more comfortable you'll become using Visual Studio Code for all your coding needs.